My mug, I left my mug out there. It is literally coming in the house. Like, let me pick this up. But it is coming in the house. Like, look how bad this is. This is bad, y'all. I was not expecting this at all. Like, look at the trees. I'm so freaking scared. Like, it's coming in. Hold on, King. Watch out, baby. It's coming in. We gotta close the door. But, yeah, it's bad, y'all. So bad. My mug is out there. My little drink. Oh, look at that. King, it's crazy, right? It's a crazy storm. Let's go change your shirt. My room is a mess. But we're gonna ignore that. Okay, loungers. So, just like the other week, huh? I know that's right. So it is like pouring down, raining outside. We are literally having a tropical storm right now from Hurricane Michael, I believe. I don't watch the news like that because it's always sad and just depressing to me. So I try to not watch the news, which I really should watch the news, because I didn't even know this hurricane was coming. Like, I literally found out through social media. And can you say not prepared? But it is raining so hard, as you guys can see. It's just like bad. It's flooding. And also, we're supposed to be getting, like, it's a tornado watch right now. So it's just a lot going on here in North Carolina. And I was not expecting this. Like, I should watch the news more because this is bad. Charlie is taking a nap. King wants to watch the rain at the door, so we kind of let him watch it a little bit. But it's flooding. Like, it's really bad. And I'm waiting on my mom to call me to just let me know she's home and safe. And, you know. But, yeah, Hurricane Michael snuck up on us this time. For real, for real. Like, but we probably just gonna hang out today and just, I guess, just sitting in here. Quan has to go to work, so it's just gonna be me and the kids, which is kind of scary too because I hate being here by myself when there's stuff like this going on. But today's supposed to be the only day that we get it. Tomorrow's supposed to be back to normal, but every time we get a hurricane, it kind of brings fall in even more. So it's gonna be cooler tomorrow. So we might do something with the kids. It just depends on what we're gonna do. I don't know, but it's like raining so bad outside. It's kind of peaceful, but it's scary at the same time. And all these trees is what I'm scared of. A tree falling, really, because of all the rain. That's my biggest fear. Not so much the flooding, because we stay like at the bottom of a hill so the water can run down. But yeah, the wind is blowing. Like, it's crazy out there. Devastating. Babe, you should see the way this storm has done. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Homes are gone, businesses are gone. And this system not done yet. Tropical storm Michael now continues to push through much of the southeast. Jay Gray, NBC News.
We're definitely suffering from this storm.
Up through North Carolina and really through Georgia this morning. It's been intense. The staying wind still at about 50 miles an hour. We're looking at your afternoons in many locations.
Are you playing?
To the east will be taking
What you got? What you got, my man? You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. He's going up so fast. Look at him sitting up on his own. All these toys. Oh my goodness. Rainy days. I'm gonna let them keep these toys out all day too. Charlie taking her nap. What, man? What? What is it? King, what are you doing? What you doing? Come here. Are you lining your ducks up? You tired? Huh? What you think? I know, but like, do you think they're gonna fall? King, don't say that. Gosh.
model showing you those mid and upper 70s.
I hope it doesn't fall at all.
The bulk of the rain, it's pulling out and moving to the north and east by 3 and 4 o'clock. We still have to get through that western edge of the
Okay, no, we won't have a house anymore.
rains over Rockingham County, Winston-Salem,
If it
Greensburg, traveling
falls.
out through Forest Oaks and out through Burlington, Graham. You're gonna
But
get
it's not gonna
action
fall,
to
okay?
wrap it in.
I hope
Still
not.
some winds here for the northern Piedmont. By
Yeah.
9 o'clock tonight, things are gonna
If it do, let's hope it fall the opposite way from the house.
gustier to 42 in the mountains, so we have to watch
Nope.
the back edge of that where we have some.
Right here. Thank God we stay on the hill. Oh my goodness. I'm not worried about that tree. It don't really move like that. It's gotta. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. Okay guys, so we are actually leaving the house. As you guys see, I'm all bundled up because we're scared about, well, I'm scared about the trees, and then our lights just started flickering, and I'm just not trying to be here by myself with the kids while Quan is at work all night. So I'm gonna go to his mom's because it's kind of closer to his job than our house is, and so yeah, that's where we're about to take the kids. But like these trees, the winds are just so bad, like it's just getting worse, y'all. It's getting worse. Look how cute Cha-Cha is. Say hey. Say hey, Cha-Cha. Say hey.
Hey, you got us?
So yeah, that's where we're about to go and get out of this storm. And I talked to my mom and everything's okay with her, but we're just gonna see how this plays out. Finally at Quan's mom's house. Actually, nobody's here, so we just kind of broke in, as you can say, and they'll probably be here soon though. I know his sister's in school. What you doing, Charlie? I'm about to take out her hair because it's starting to look a little rough, and as you guys seen, I took out my hair because it was itching so bad. Say hey. Can you say hey?
I'm doing hey.
Yeah, say hey. What y'all doing? What y'all doing? And he's back here. You being a big boy, right? You being a big boy, man. Keegan has a habit of chewing on his tongue, y'all. It is like the weirdest thing to me. But Quan told me that his dad used to do that too, like even as an adult. So I think that's probably gonna be like his little habit. But I don't know. It may be just a phase. But he literally chews on his tongue all the time. What are you doing, King?
Making candy treats.
And I'm watching the news because I'm tracking this storm, y'all. I was not prepared, so now I really have to be on top of it. But yeah, we're probably just gonna hang out here for a little bit. And Quan gets off like around 9ish, so we'll just hang out here. And plus, his sister asked to see the kids. Say hey. His sister asked to see the kids the other day and wasn't able to stop by, so I know she's gonna be kind of happy to see them. You ready to see Auntie and Nana?
I'm ready to see.
You wanna see Auntie? Oh my goodness, is this Bop It? Y'all, a mini Bop It. This will keep me occupied all day. It's Bop It. It's a Bop It.
No, Mommy.
I used to love that game. What is that? King always finds stuff. What is that, King?
It's for the Incredibles.
It's for the Incredibles, yeah. But yeah, so me and the kids are gonna hang out. I'm probably about to take out her hair. You want me to take out your hair?
Yeah,
Take it out. Okay, yeah, I'm probably gonna take it out and wash it when we get home. So yeah, I guess we'll talk to you guys a little later. Y'all just gonna leave Mimi. Come on.
No.
Come on.
No. Is that Uncle Will?
No, that's not Uncle Will, baby.
What's that name?
Y'all are nosy. Come on. Come on, nosy posies.
He looks like a
Come on, nosy posy.
He looks like a savage.
A savage. Okay, let's go, King. In the house. In the house. In the house. In the house, Charlie. In the house. Don't want to get sick. Let's go. A savage. Oh, my goodness. King, what is a savage?
When they have this hats on, they look like they're savage.
When they put hats on.
Like the crazy hat.
Okay.
Like the crazy hat.
Yeah, keep that definition.